In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a slide in Canva. Whether you're designing a presentation, working on marketing materials, or putting together a personal project, knowing how to duplicate slides can save you a lot of time and effort. It's perfect when you want to keep a consistent design across multiple slides or make small changes without starting from scratch. So, stick around. I'll walk you through the whole process step by step. First, make sure you're logged into Canva and have your project open. You can use any design type, a presentation, a social media post, or even a video project. Once your design is open, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. This is your slide panel where all your pages or slides are listed vertically. Now, find the slide you want to duplicate. Click on it once and it will appear larger in your main workspace. This ensures that the slide is active and selected, which is important before you make a copy. Once your slide is selected, you have a few ways to duplicate it. Let's start with the most common method, using keyboard shortcuts. If you're on a Windows computer, press Command+C to copy the slide. If you're on a Mac, press Command+C. This action copies your slide, just like when you copy text or images in other programs. Now that your slide is copied, it's time to paste it. Simply press Control+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. And just like that, a new slide appears right next to your original one in the side panel. This new slide is an exact duplicate, same text, same images, same layout, everything. Pretty simple, right? But here's another quick trick. If you don't want to use keyboard shortcuts, Canva also gives you a built-in option to duplicate slides. Hover your mouse over the slide you want to copy. You'll see 3 small dots, also known as the More icon, appear in the top right corner of that slide. Click it, and from the drop-down menu, choose Duplicate Page. Boom! Canva instantly creates a copy of that slide right below the original one. You can use this same technique across any type of Canva design, whether it's a presentation deck, a social media carousel, or a multi-page document. It's one of the best ways to maintain a uniform look across your designs, while still having the flexibility to tweak each slide individually. Once your duplicate is ready, you can edit it however you like. Maybe change the text, replace an image, or adjust colors. Because it's a copy, you don't have to worry about messing up your original design. Everything stays neat and organized. Duplicating slides can really speed up your workflow. Instead of rebuilding layouts every time, you can focus more on creativity and content, knowing your design foundation is already in place. And there you have it. That's how you duplicate a slide in Canva quickly and easily. It's such a simple feature, but it can make a huge difference when you're trying to work efficiently and keep your designs consistent. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Canva tips, tricks, and tutorials every week. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, happy designing.